Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra was arrested by the Mumbai Crime Branch on July 19 for production of pornographic films. Earlier on the Friday, while seeking further custody of Raj Kundra at the court, the cops have claimed that Kundra had alleged plan to sell 119 adult films for millions to a person. The investigating officials also want to reportedly probe an alleged fund transfer from a South Africa-based sports betting firm into Raj's bank account. Raj aimed an international deal worth 1.2 million USD by the sale of 119 erotic videos. Now, according to a midday report, Shilpa Shetty has so far denied her involvement in the alleged offense of transmission of sexually explicit content. Reportedly, Shilpa has also claimed while recording her statement to the investigating team that films available on Kundra's app Hotshot are not pornography but erotica, while citing more options examples from other OTT platforms. After making serious allegations against businessman and Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra, now model actress Sagarika Suman claims to receive death and rape threats ever since she complained about Kundra and his associates who allegedly asked her for nude audition. Reportedly, actress Sagarika Shona Suman has lodged a complaint in Oshiera police station of Mumbai, claiming that she has been receiving life-threatening calls after filing a complaint against businessman and actress Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra. The Mumbai Crime Branch carried out a search of actor Shilpa Shetty's house in Juhu in connection with the pornography case involving her husband Raj Kundra on Friday. Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra spent 6 long hours today evening as officials from Mumbai's crime branch searched through their sprawling home looking for key evidence. Sources close to the investigation have revealed that Shilpa's involvement in the case is being probed into right now.